suspension. Might as well throw the wheels back on. I still got one wheel to clean though. I got so much to do with this one. Look. This one, I hit with the SOS, the Brillo pads. And then I hit it with some cleats. This one hit with the SOS pad. I need to hit it again. The other one this one got a new tire. These don't check. But this one right here, he ain't been hit with nothing. He's terrible. He is terrible. Oh yeah. I need to hit him up. Him look like that. Whoosh. And look at the inside. Yeah. Hit that with the wire brush. Get it back. Like that. Some more elbow grease. Woo! Yeah. Okay, y'all. I guess this one about as good as it's gonna get. It ain't too bad. This one. Like that. That salt ate him up. The curbs. This probably was on the passenger side. This beat the worst. I'm gonna try to hit it in these kind of areas right here. Look like it's still some clear left. Like right here, I'm gonna hit it with this. I put the brass tip on here. See how that do. Here we go, guys. Alright. This would be cool for the first coat. Might come up and do this thing. Woo. I'll be back in a couple hours. Okay. That's our finished product. It ain't perfect, but it's better. I guess what you can call that, patina. It's shiny though. When it's riding down the street, it's gonna be shiny. I tell you that much. Let me see if I can get this on. It might blind you going down the street. But I need to get this car up as high as I can. So I'm gonna put these wheels on so I can put it on the ramps. My jacks can only do so much. Sit him on the ramps. Should be able to get up under there because I can't get in there sideways with my shoulders to be able to get on that yoke seal like I want to. I need to be good enough under there. So that's why this was an important next step. Yeah, that. I don't know. Tell me in the comments what grit I could have used to get this better. It's the worst one though. This will be the one that I get replaced. Pretty sure this one went on that passenger side front. That's the one you hit the curb the most. gotta jack it up in the middle. Put it down on the ramp. I'm gonna have to stack some wood up in the middle. Alright, let's get to it. I'll be back when I get it all jacked up.